Hi, it's Vinny at Tameron Hyundai. Thanks for asking about the beautiful 2015 Toyota Prius Hybrid. It has a spoiler in front, wraparound headlights, hooded side mirrors. It's a beautiful interior we see. It's very clean. Has an audio display with navigation, sunroof. This beautiful car is waiting for you here at Tameron Hyundai. Today's Black Friday. Come on down and get the greatest deal of the year. Again, I'm Vinny. Call me at 334-313-7131 and come down to see us at Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.